So, we have all heard that this is the age of AI. If we want to become successful fast in this age, we have to use AI in our professional lives. And if used correctly, these AI tools can make you lots and lots of money. So, there are some AI tools to supercharge your content production for your business and for YouTube automation. First of all, we've got Pictory, a tool that can help you convert text and images into videos. All you need to do is enter a suitable prompt, and just like that, you'll have a complete video ready to go. It's that easy. Pictory offers a lot more than that. Not only does it help you create video from just text, but you can also choose the video template you want, and it automatically adds captions to your videos, which increases average view duration. And you can also edit videos by entering the changes you want with text. So if you're a complete beginner to video editing, this is perfect for you. It also adds AI voiceovers to the videos as well. It can also turn any images or articles you have into videos. If you own a business and want to use content to expand it, and you don't have the budget to hire an entire team for it, this tool works best for you. Next, there's Runway ML. This tool has many features. First one being, it can also generate videos through text, but here's where it's unique. You can remove the background from one part of the video and add in a new background. It erases things from videos, and it even adds movement to your images. It also has so many more features that will help you make interesting content. Next, we have Lexia Pics. It converts the images you have into interactive and engaging GIFs, and you can also customize the animation. This can help you make your content more engaging even if it is just an image. Next, there is AI Acoustics or Adobe Podcast AI. These tools help you clean up your terrible audio into pretty good voiceovers. All you have to do is upload your audio file and you'll get a pretty neat voiceover. Now, there are some other tools as well that will help you improve your voiceover. For example, Clean Voice or Recut. These remove big gaps and silences in your voiceovers, and they also remove all the ums and ers in your audio. This task used to take hours to fix, and now it can be fixed just like that. Then there are tools like AudioPen or Descript, used for transcribing and correcting audio. They remove all the additional fluff in your audio. So now it can be uploaded as carousels and tweets or just as videos to various platforms to increase your reach. Next, Leonardo.ai, DALL-E 2 or Midjourney. All these tools help you generate any image you want just from text. You have to create a free account and you can generate any image you want in whatever style you want. All these platforms have many different types of images you can choose from for the exact same prompt. You can use these for thumbnails, B-rolls and social media posts. There are dozens of successful YouTube channels that depend only on these images for their content. And now, if you want to make tons of money, only ad revenue isn't gonna cut it. You need to learn how to monetize your audience, and I made an entirely free PDF on the topic by discussing different methods and how you can earn thousands of dollars every month through YouTube automation by these AI tools. You can find the link to that in the top comment. I also included many terms you need to learn if you want to grow on YouTube using content. So go check it out. One of the ways through which you can start monetizing your audience is by collecting their emails and sending them many things related to your content that will be of value to them, so that you will have a list of leads you are engaged with regularly. For starting out, you can use ConvertKit. It helps you maintain a huge email list engaged by running regular email campaigns, and every single person on your list is a lead. So you can sell stuff to them very easily as they are already interested in your business. ConvertKit can help you manage this, and it also helps you build landing pages very easily. So you can convert your leads into buying customers. And if you want to create landing pages even easily, check out 60sec site, which creates a landing page for you if you just describe your business and product, and you can easily customize every aspect of your landing page. Next, if you know anything about today's audience, you'll know that short form content is dominating with billions of views on every platform. So you'll need to repurpose your long form content into short form content. So we have Opus Clip or Repurpose.ai for repurposing your content. These tools allow you to take existing content such as videos or podcasts and turn them into new engaging content for different platforms. This is an excellent way to save time and increase your reach over platforms like Twitter, TikTok and Instagram. Opus Clip gives you excellent short clips from your videos which are made engaging with captions and other effects. And the best part, Opus Clip automatically takes the best clips from your video by identifying viral keywords, and it also gives you a viral score for each clip, showing how much chance each clip has of blowing up. On the other hand, Repurpose.ai focuses on all other types of content by changing it to match the style of various platforms like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn and many others. Next is Koala Writer, which converts your YouTube video into blog posts. You just have to paste the video link and then you can upload the blog post on Twitter, LinkedIn and your own website. Now, this is an AI model built for optimizing your workflow. Now, Notion itself is an excellent productivity tool with tons of features useful for pretty much any online career. It can help you save you tons of information in a singular database, create spreadsheets and calendars for representing business data and schedules. You can even track your videos using the many tools available. Notion AI is just adding AI to this already excellent app, which means you can ask AI to create a to-do list for you based on your calendar, or continue writing any article or script in any style you want, and you can ask AI to help you by using the many tools of Notion. Next, there is Thumbly, which can help you create viral thumbnails and titles for your videos. You just have to describe how you want your thumbnail to be, and you can even add your own assets to use in your thumbnail and describe how to use them. Thumbly will give you a few potentially successful thumbnails based on the data it has gathered from YouTube. The last one is vidIQ. So this is the perfect tool for you if you're trying to grow on YouTube. It contains many features such as keyword research tools, key video metrics such as views per hour, trending keywords and topics, title recommendations, and so much more. Every time you search for something on YouTube, you can see the search volume and competition of that term, and you can actually find matching terms and keywords for that term in the vidIQ website. It can give SEO scores for videos other than yours. You can see the tags other channels use, and vidIQ has one more feature. It's newly built AI coach. This AI analyzes your YouTube channel and gives you responses based on that. So you can ask it any question related to your niche and it will give you a suitable answer. You can also ask it to generate a description for you based on the keywords you researched on vidIQ, and it will give you a pretty good description which you can use in your video. So it will be optimized for SEO. Like I said before, if you want to know what are the ways to monetize your audience, check out the PDF through the link in my description. Now that you know the tools, I also made another video in which I fully explained how you can do YouTube automation using AI and other software, and in that video I mentioned multiple ways to monetize your audience. I even mentioned how you can optimize your YouTube content with vidIQ. You can see that video right here.